Okay, let's be real for a second. Are you still hunting around for a stamp at the last minute, just praying your utility check clears before the late fees hit? It's stressful, right? Well, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're totally demystifying how to effortlessly pay your Pedernales Electric Cooperative bill online. We're going to get you out of the slow lane of paper mail and into a secure, instant digital system that, get this, will actually save you money.
Here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with why you should pay online, then walk through setting up your account, choosing your payment method, covering some security and troubleshooting tips, and finally, a quick wrap-up and disclaimer.
All right, Section 1. Why pay online? Let's talk about the real financial and practical benefits of finally ditching that paper.
We all know the absolute headache of snail mail. It's not just the annoyance of licking stamps and envelopes, it's the total lack of transparency. Switching to digital self-service is honestly a massive upgrade for managing your home or business. PEC, that's Pedernales Electric Cooperative, offers these real-time electronic payments so you can completely avoid agonizing mail delays. You hit pay, and boom, you get instant confirmation. Your account is settled just like that.
But here is the absolute best part. Ditching all that hassle actually pays you back. No joke. You're looking at up to $30 a year in direct savings just for changing how you pay. PCX actually uses a financial incentive structure to encourage folks to move away from those expensive paper workflows. So how does that actually break down? It's brilliant, really. When you set up AutoBank Draft, you get a $1.50 credit every single month. Combine that with a $1 credit for going paperless, and that's $2.50 right back into your pocket every single billing cycle. Over a year, that's your $30. It's a total win-win. The co-op lowers their administrative costs, and they pass those savings straight back to you. Moving right along to Section 2, setting up your account. Let's walk through your step-by-step SmartHub guide. So, SmartHub is basically your digital command center. First things first, we need to get you to the right starting line. If you're on a computer, head to pec.smarthub.coop and look for the link that says New User, Register to Use SmartHub right under the login box. More of a phone person? Easy. Just download the native SmartHub app for iOS or Android. Search for Pedernales Electric Cooperative and tap Don't Have an Account? Register Now down at the bottom.
Here is the simple step-by-step journey. And hey, remember you can pause this explainer anytime to follow along. Step 1. You absolutely need your official 10-digit account number, which you can easily grab from an old paper bill. Then, hit the website or app, enter your details, verify your primary email address when they send you an automated message, and finally, set up a really strong password.
Let's zoom in on that registration step for a second. When you're filling out the form, you have to be super careful to type in your official 10-digit billing account number and the primary account holder's last name or business name exactly as it appears on your bill. It has to be a perfect match to trigger that validation email.
Now, before you get full access to your dashboard, I really want to highlight the security phrase step. This is absolutely crucial, folks. You have to create a unique security phrase that's at least 5 characters long. Now, this isn't your password. It's an extra layer of identity protection. You actually have to set this up before you can store any credit cards, connect a bank account, or even turn on autopay. It's just a great way to guarantee that when you're dealing with your finances, you are securely locked into the official PEC system.
Okay, Section 3, choosing your payment method. Let's compare SmartHub versus the Pay Now option. You basically have 2 main digital paths here. On one side, you've got the authenticated SmartHub portal. This is your deep dive management tool where you can set up recurring autopay, save your payment methods, and even dig into usage analytics to help lower future bills. On the flip side, there's the unauthenticated Pay Now option. No login required, just your account number and last name. It's totally perfect if you're in a rush and just need to make a rapid one-time payment. But just keep in mind, it won't let you see your historical data or manage recurring payments.
Now listen up, because this part is incredibly important. You need to know which channels are free and which ones are going to cost you. Going directly through official portals like the SmartHub app, the Pay Now website, the 24/7 automated phone line at 855-938-3589, or the secure pay stations at PEC offices is 100% fee-free. But if you use retail cash bridges like Vanilla Direct, Western Union, or MoneyGram at places like CBS, you're going to get hit with a $1.50 merchant fee per transaction. And watch out for third-party aggregator apps like Doxo. They might tack on extra credit card processing fees, and they aren't even officially affiliated with PEC. Bottom line, always stick to the direct, fee-free official channels.
Section 4. Security and troubleshooting. Let's keep that account safe.
Look, technology happens. If you ever get locked out, forget your password, or a page just completely freezes, don't panic. The fixes are super easy. You can easily trigger a password reset using the email link right on the login page. If the portal itself is acting glitchy, just double-check that your browser or mobile app is completely up to date. Still stuck? No worries. Just call the really patient folks at Tech Support. Their number is 888-554-4732, and you can reach them Monday through Friday between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. They'll walk you right through it.
As for security best practices, keeping your account safe is definitely a team effort. We highly recommend turning on multi-factor authentication, or MFA, inside your Smart Hub settings. This just means a password isn't enough. You'll also need a quick text code to log in, which is awesome for security. Also guard that unique security phrase we talked about earlier, and definitely watch out for any phishing scams asking for it. Oh, and while you're poking around in the portal, make sure your mobile numbers are up to date so you can opt into their emergency text alerts. If your power ever goes out, you can just text the word outage to 25022 to report it. Super convenient.
All right, Section 5. Conclusion and disclaimer. Time to wrap up your digital transition.
At the end of the day, moving away from snail mail puts you completely in the driver's seat. Paying online gives you instant financial confirmation, which means no more late fees and total peace of mind. You get the flexibility of autopay, you can track your usage to actually bring down your energy consumption, and you're making a positive environmental impact by massively reducing paper waste. It's just a smarter, cleaner way to run your home or business.
Just a quick wrap-up note. While this explainer covers the current established procedures, it's really just for general knowledge. You should always reach out to Pedernales Electric Cooperative directly for personalized help, or just in case their official terms, fees, or policies change down the road.
So, with your newfound digital confidence, your auto-pay quietly doing its thing in the background, and an extra $30 sitting safely in your bank account this year, the real question is, what are you going to do with all that time and money you just saved? The power is totally in your hands now. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and happy savings.